Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha, the Prophet's wife, states this thing rendered the Quraysh disconcerted that in Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam times a woman committed theft on the occasion of the conquest of Makkah Mukarramah. They said, who will intercede with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in this connection? The people said, who can dare to do so, saves Hazrat Usama bin Zaid radiallahu anhu, who is the beloved of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was brought that woman, so Hazrat Usama bin Zaid radiallahu anhu interceded for her. Thereof the color of the face of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam changed. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, are you interceding regarding one of the punishments prescribed by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu? Hazrat Usama radiyallahu anhu said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you may seek pardon for me. When it was evening, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up and delivered a sermon. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam glorified Allah Jalla Jalaluhu with those statements which befit His sanctity. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, the people prior to you perished because when any high-born person would commit theft, they would let him off, and when any low-born person would commit larceny, they would execute prescribed punishment on him. By him in whose possession my soul stays, if Fatima, Muhammad's daughter, commits theft, I will sever her hand. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then issued commands to chop the hand of the woman who committed larceny. So her hand was cut off. Urwa says that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha stated, later she repented well and contracted marriage. Then she would off and on come to me, and I would convey her needs to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4387.